Are you broke, struggling to fund your addictions? All jokes aside, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that you can start today to make you a bit of cash on the side, some of which I'm currently using now. And at the end I'll show you investments. That'll be any stock market investment. All you have to do is choose one of these side hustles and take action. So starting with something I used to do throughout the whole of school, which was sell sweets. This is by far one of the easiest ways to make money as a teenager, and it also helps build some valuable skills like sales. I've also sold many other things throughout of school, such as toys, thumb grips for your controllers, anything. Literally anything can be sold if you can find the right product and the right customer. Throughout my time of selling sweets at school, I made around a total of £2 grand, so it is a really profitable, easy way to make money in school. So pretty much all you do is buy a multi-pack of sweets, which would cost about £1, probably gone up now, and then sell each individual one for 50p or 70p depending on the price. But yeah, it's as simple as that. It's all good and well until your head teacher brings you into her office and shuts down your empire, which is when you move on to the next side hustle. The next side hustle is something I still currently do, and that's gardening and lawn care, jet washing. They all go under the same bracket. Pretty much the way Project Hustle started, we asked friends and family if we could do their gardens, getting us some experience. And then we went door to door selling, offering our experiences, which surprisingly worked. And after you start to expand, get some profit, improve your equipment, a great way to get new customers, which I use now, is to give out leaflets. If you post these through your doors, put your number, your information on, you'll easily get a load of customers. The ROI on the leaflets are insane. I ordered about 2,000 leaflets off Vistaprint for around £40. I already got a customer for an £80 job, so they're definitely worth it when starting in your gardening business. I also outsourced the design of the leaflet to one of my friends and the logo for £7, which saved me time and also helped develop my mate's digital skill, which we'll pick up on the last side hustle. But as well as gardening, you can do car detailing, which one of my mates is currently doing. He's earning quite a bit off that. And pretty much any in-person service that you can offer. Dog walking, babysitting, you can do it all, but gardening is the one I currently do. The other day I did a lawn, it took me about an hour and a half. And this is a monthly recurring customer, which I get £25 and it only took me 1.5 hours. So it is a really great side hustle and maybe even business that you can earn more than a part-time job. Also build your skills like sales, graphic design, gardening. You get a lot of skills from business ventures you do, so as long as you just try and put the effort in, then can't really go wrong. Side hustle 3, which is personally one of my favourites, and the reason you're watching this video now, is content creation. Literally, content creation is the way to go nowadays. I've always had a passion for content creation since I was a kid, making little Lego stock frame animations. Then I moved on to gaming and streaming, which I made a very insignificant amount of capital, but with persistence. Oh fuck, I just farted. With the skills I've learned from that, I've brought them onto this channel, and with no doubt I'll be able to monetize this channel in a couple months time, because every day at the back of my mind I had a thought that I just wanted to start it, I didn't know where to start, so I just literally picked up a camera off eBay for, I think I paid £300, so I knew I would use it because I spent a significant amount on a camera. And then here we are now. I'm using my iPhone, not even my camera. But yeah, you get the point. Just start. What's the worst that can happen? You might get a few people at school teasing you, but they're not trying. They're procrastinating at home, watching Netflix, scrolling through social media, watching you. So at the end of the day, you've just got to start and keep on building your skills. If you scroll down to the bottom of my channel, you'll see my videos that are actually crap. But I just wanted to start, regain the skills that I had before and build on them. As you can see throughout my videos, the editing, the voiceovers, everything, they're all improving. Even in this one, you can tell I've got a lot more confidence towards the camera. There probably is a lot of cuts because I am working on this skill still. I do want to make more videos like this because I think I got a lot of wisdom to share to the youth. The next side hustle is by far the easiest way to make money, and I've been doing it my whole life, and that's flipping items. So you can get the items to flip off Facebook Marketplace and car boots, charity shops, just anywhere like that, and it's easy money really. And you're also helping out the environment, recycling stuff. So the best flip I've done to this date was buying a Samsung monitor off Facebook Marketplace for £25, which I swapped with my mate who needed it for a scooter, a mouse mat and Black Ops 2. Then I fixed the scooter and cleaned it, adding perceived value to the item, and then sold it on Facebook Marketplace for £100, along with selling Black Ops 2 on eBay for £7, making a total of £107 for a £25 investment. But yeah, you might also pick up some nice stuff for yourself along the way, which is cool. But I'm a true believer of second-hand stuff. You should always go for second-hand if you don't have the money, because you'll get better bang for your buck. But there's so many things you can flip, from electronics to shoes to board games. Anything, literally anything in the world can be flipped. You've just got to find it for a good price and find a customer who is willing to buy it for that price. But yeah, this is the last but most valuable side hustle any teenager could do in the world, and that is to build a digital skill. Building any skill is good, but digital skills specifically are the new meta. For an example, a digital skill I'm developing now is video editing and content creation. Imagine you're in battle and you're sharpening a sword. Every time you work on your digital skill, it becomes more powerful and more effective, which will produce better results every time. The more skills you have, the more value you'll have to other people. This goes for any skills, not just digital skills. For example, I'm currently reading this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. That's not his name, but you get what I mean. And by reading this book and taking action on the things I learn, it's increasing my value to other people, as they're more likely to enjoy the conversation. And you're watching this video, so I'm guessing it's still working. The value I'm providing you with my communication skills, editing, storytelling, it's all working because you're still watching. Went on a bit of a tangent there, but yeah, build a digital skill. The way you can monetize a digital skill is with freelancing. Sites like Fiverr, you can put up a listing showcasing the skill you want to provide, which then potential customers will come back to you and message you. Right, so now you know how to make money as a teenager. You're probably not going to know what to do with that money. And if you want to use that money properly, don't go and buy some sweets, some clothes, etc. Make sure to reinvest it. If you're a teenager and under 18, you're not going to be able to invest in the stock market. The first thing anyone should start investing in before they even consider the stock market is to invest in yourself and your own knowledge. A great way to invest in yourself is books. A great example is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Hamza, along with many other YouTubers, have recommended this book. It's great, helps your social skills, etc. For £4 off eBay, you have a 250-page book condensed of years of wisdom and knowledge. Literally your time and a very insignificant amount of money. You can learn new skills, life stories, everything, experience. You can buy experience pretty much. And it doesn't have to be How to Win Friends and Influence People. Whatever you're interested in, you just buy a book on it, and in the long run the ROI is way better than any stock market investment that you can consider. Rich Dad Poor Dad is also a great book I've read. It's the Bible of business and entrepreneurialism, so make sure to cop that as well. I'm currently lending it to my friend to read. Hopefully he's reading it. He probably isn't, but you can also reinvest the money back into the business and the side hustle. I've been investing in lawnmowers, trimmers, etc. for my gardening business. But yeah, make sure to invest back into your business and yourself before considering to invest in the stock market, etc. But I will be making investment videos soon where I'll reveal my 10k plus portfolio, so let me know if you're interested in that. But yeah, the most important tip is to learn skills. So if you don't have many skills, you're pretty much worthless.